control number 41521. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Carolina Tabtab. I'm 30 years old, married. I have one son and 4 years old. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the fourth of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
College level at Philippine Women's University. My course is Office Secretarial.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my family and future of my child.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No. But I have experience here in Philippines as a nanny for 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
Take a bath, feed him, play with them, and change clothes and diapers.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking and baking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food like steamed fish, vegetables, and I can cook Filipino food like adobo, menudo, and tinola.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm a responsible, hardworking, and honest.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Sir, madam, if ever you will choose me as a domestic helper, I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will promise I will finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.